Here's the phrase. If you use what you do best to do what you love to produce a result that you care deeply about, Katie bar the door. We marvel at people like that. We go, you were born for this. If you use what you do best to do what you love to produce a result you care about, it's unbelievable. So in the actual assessment, we're looking at talent, we're looking at passion is what we started, the work we love, and then we call it a missional result. And this is about intrinsic motivation. So there's real science behind that. Now here's what we do with that. As a leader, practically, what would you do with these assessment results? The first thing, it would be self-assessment to go, as I look at my purpose statement that just gets spit out to me, I look at that. Am I spending 3/4 of my day doing that, using what I do best to do work I enjoy to produce results I care about? If the answer is no, ding, 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 we got to remove it, delegate it, or hire for it. Let me go back and say that because this is as practical as I can get. I don't like to speak in maxims. I want to be real with you folks. If I'm looking at my purpose statement, which is what you get in this assessment, and it tells you top 3 things I'm good at, top 3 things I enjoy doing, and the primary result that motivates me, gets me fired up when I wake up. All right. If I'm not spending, rule of thumb here, 75% of my day doing that, I better remove it completely, delegate it to somebody else, or if I can't delegate it to somebody else because their place, I better hire for it. And let me tell you something, that's freedom. And here's why. You are the leader of your organization. And to the extent that you aren't clear and you aren't operating in 3/4 of your day, using what you do best to do work you really enjoy to produce results you care about, your team already knows it. And you're actually the lid, as my good friend and mentor, John Maxwell, would say. And he wrote about it in the 21 Laws of Leadership, the law of the lid. And he's right. You are the lid of the organization primarily because you're holding the organization back.